Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our one glass door refrigerator merchandiser units. Okay, brand on this unit's our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Model for this unit is the LC260A. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the overall measurements for this unit. We'll start with exterior and then we'll go ahead and give you the inside measurements as well. Okay, so starting with the length, we're going to be looking at a total of 21.5 inches front to back. You're looking at a total of 20.5 inches. And the overall height for this refrigerator, you're looking at 62.5 inches high. Okay, 62.5. Now, the refrigerator does have casters on the bottom, okay, so you can easily move it around. Now, let's go ahead and show you the inside. We'll go ahead and open up this door, which is going to be an automatic closing door. Okay, we'll go ahead and open this up. And we'll start with the inside top. Okay, on the top, we can locate fan for the cooling. You also have your temperature adjuster, temperature control on the very inside. And on the bottom, we have a switch, which is going to be for the lighting. Okay, the unit does have lighting on the inside. Also, you will be provided with shelves. You have a total of 4 shelves provided for this refrigerator. And on the very bottom, there is going to be a drain. Okay, now let's go ahead and give the inside measurements. Front to back, you're looking at a total of 14 inches. Left to right will be 19 inches. Overall height for this unit on the inside is 46.5 inches, 46.5. Okay, so those are your inside measurements for this refrigerator. Now, lastly, before we go here, I want to go ahead and show you the back of this refrigerator. And on the back, we'll be able to locate our plug. At the very bottom, it is a standard US plug. And on the top, we have a sticker with more information regarding this unit. Okay, you can locate certifications on this sticker as well as model, voltage. So all that information will be located on the back of this unit. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration on this refrigerator. As I mentioned, model LC260A. Okay, so LC260A. If you're interested in one of these models, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information, including the price for this exact model. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.